Hello, my name is Craig Austin, and I am here to talk to you about technology and automation in agriculture. If you are someone who thinks that agriculture has and always will be a stagnant industry, I hope I am able to show you how agriculture is like any other industry with constant changes and shakeups. Before diving into the specific technologies, let's go over some key components to the need for automation in agrobots. An agrobot is a robot to help make farming more efficient. With an ever-growing society, there seems to be a shortage of labor in the agriculture industry. Agricultural output is declining in some areas of the U.S. and the world. With this declining output, we need to double our agricultural productivity to feed the growing society by the year 2050. And lastly, the price of seeds and chemicals is steadily rising. The use of agrobots would eliminate the shortage of labor and would decrease all prices for the farming process over time due to the agrobots being more efficient than humans. The first topic of discussion is the use of drones in agriculture. I found a saying which did not have one single author, but rather a saying around the agricultural industry, and it reads, "Drones may be the farmers of the future." There are many ways through which this can be true. First is that drones help see the entire plot of land at once from above. Seen from this view while using infrared imaging can help see how healthy or unhealthy your crops are. This is done by the infrared imaging detecting how much or little chlorophyll is in the crops. This is depicted from the picture on the right. While satellite imaging has been around for a long time, the usage of drones is an improved version. The picture is almost instant to see when compared to satellite imaging. Many farmers that I know from my area now use this for both farming and the use of fun. You can find good drones to use from a few $100s to thousands. This is a small price to pay for farmers so they can have a better understanding of their crops to get more value from them. The next topic of discussion is planting, harvesting, and tilling. There are some common types of fields. These include corn, soybean, tree nuts, vineyards, and fresh produce. The price for this equipment is high, but is expected to fall once more adopted. The technology used is hardware, software, and sensors. The field robot currently needs to be programmed to understand the dimensions of the field. The sensors are able to detect when and where to stop or move, and they can detect unexpected problems when encountered. The field robot would take away the job of actually farming, but farmers would still need to oversee the process. The equipment would make farming more efficient through the use of swarm farming. Swarm farming means what it sounds like. These machines are able to be used in multiples in the same field and never interrupt each other. Once you start them, the machine does all the work. One way to make this technology helpful to all farmers is to not have the equipment available for purchase. Rather, suppliers would have a form of renting them out. This field robot equipment industry has projections to grow to a $680 billion industry. A lesser-known technology is laser weeding. Laser weeding would take away the need for herbicides, which can be harmful. The machine uses thermal detection to understand what is a weed and what is crop. While the lasers would not instantly zap away the weed, the lasers would weaken the vitality of the weeds, causing them to degrade. The other way of killing weeds without herbicide is to chop them off. When this is done, it can allow the weeds to regerminate, causing the same problem all over again. Using laser weeding is the most efficient way to get rid of weeds. An interesting way this technology has already been improved is the entire machine being solar powered. This machine is able to move around the field all the time and kill weeds. All it needs is sunlight. The last technology is the automated milking system. The first version of this was the mainly human-operated milk pump machine. Some believe there are ethical issues involving the milking of cows by robots. Some farmers believe the machine is more comfortable for cows, contrary to the normal belief. Also, some believe the cows would spread germs, but there is a teat cleaning step during the milking process to not allow this to happen.